Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to build product launch plans in Notion in 2025 so you can stay organized and hit every milestone on time. First, start by creating your Notion account and create a new page in Notion and choose a database template like a table or board view. Set up key columns such as task owner, deadline, statue, and priority. This makes it easy to track everything from idea to launch day. Next, break your launch into phases: planning, content creation, marketing outreach, and post-launch. Review assign tasks to team members, add due dates, and link any supporting docs or assets directly into the database. Notion timeline and calendar view gives you a clear visual roadmap, so you will always know what's coming next. You can also integrate reminders and connect tools like Slack or Google Drive to centralize your workflow. Finally, review progress during team check-ins by filtering for overdue tasks or upcoming deadlines. This keeps accountability high and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. With Notion as your launch hub, you will save time, reduce stress, and deliver smoother product rollouts. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.